Today, we're taking you on a journey through one of the most critical operations in naval logistics, refueling at sea. This essential process enables the U.S. Navy's most formidable ships, such as aircraft carriers and destroyers, to maintain their readiness and continue their missions far from home. We're going to explore how this operation works, the advanced technology involved, and why it's a game changer for naval operations around the world. Refueling at sea, often referred to as underway replenishment or UNREP, is a highly coordinated procedure where fuel is transferred from one ship to another while both are underway. This capability is vital for the U.S. Navy, allowing ships to stay on station for extended periods without the need to return to port for refueling. The actual process of refueling at sea is a remarkable feat of precision and coordination. The operation begins with the replenishment ship and the receiving vessel aligning side by side, often maintaining a distance of just 30 to 50 meters while moving in unison. A messenger line is first sent from the replenishment ship to the receiving ship. This line is used to pull a stronger cable, followed by the fuel hose itself, which is then connected between the two ships. The hose is designed to handle the high pressures required to transfer large volumes of fuel efficiently and safely, despite the constant motion of the sea. Once the hose is securely in place, fuel begins to flow. The crews on both ships must monitor the process closely to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Tens of thousands of gallons of fuel can be transferred in a single operation, which is crucial for keeping aircraft carriers and other ships ready for extended deployments. Let's dive in and see the refueling process in action. At the heart of this operation are the Navy's replenishment vessels, such as those from the Henry J. Kaiser class. These ships are designed specifically for the task of delivering fuel and supplies to other vessels at sea. With the capacity to carry vast amounts of fuel, along with essential supplies like food and ammunition, these ships ensure that the fleet can operate independently, no matter how far they are from shore. These replenishment ships are equipped with advanced systems that enable them to conduct refueling operations safely and efficiently, even in challenging sea conditions. Their role is indispensable as they serve as the lifeline for the fleet, enabling sustained operations across the globe. Refueling at sea isn't just about the technology and the ships. It's also about the highly trained personnel who make these operations possible. The sailors involved in these missions undergo rigorous training to ensure they can perform their roles safely and efficiently, even under challenging conditions. Before they're even allowed to participate in an actual refueling operation, sailors must complete extensive classroom instruction, simulation exercises, and hands-on training. They learn everything from the basic principles of fluid dynamics to the specific procedures for connecting and disconnecting fuel hoses, all while maintaining the highest standards of safety. One of the most critical skills these sailors develop is communication. During a refueling operation, Clear and precise communication is essential. The teams on both ships must coordinate their movements perfectly to avoid accidents, and they must be able to respond quickly to any changes in conditions, such as sudden weather shifts or unexpected mechanical issues. In addition to their technical training, sailors also prepare for the physical demands of the job. Refueling at sea can be a physically taxing operation, especially in rough seas, where maintaining balance and handling heavy equipment requires strength and endurance. The level of expertise required for these operations highlights just how critical the human element is to the success of the Navy's refueling missions. It's a reminder that even in an age of advanced technology, skilled and dedicated personnel are at the heart of every successful naval operation. The ability to refuel at sea offers the U.S. Navy a significant strategic advantage. It allows the Navy to maintain a persistent presence in key regions around the world without being tied to port facilities. This capability is especially important during times of conflict or crisis, when the ability to sustain operations over long periods is essential. Refueling at sea ensures that the Navy's most powerful ships, like aircraft carriers, can remain on station for as long as necessary, projecting power and providing support wherever it's needed. This ability to stay in the fight without interruption is a key factor in the Navy's global dominance. In addition to the direct transfer of fuel, the U.S. Navy employs two main methods for resupplying its ships at sea: connected replenishment, CONREP, and vertical replenishment, VERTREP. Connected replenishment involves the physical connection of ships via hoses and cables, allowing for the transfer of fuel and other supplies. This method is typically used for large-scale refueling operations. Vertical replenishment utilizes helicopters to transport supplies from one ship to another. This method is particularly useful for delivering high-priority items or when sea conditions make it difficult to connect ships directly. Together, these methods ensure that Navy ships remain fully stocked and operational, regardless of where they are in the world. In summary, refueling at sea is a cornerstone of the U.S. Navy's ability to project power globally and sustain its operations over long periods. The intricate coordination, advanced technology, and strategic foresight involved in these operations are what enable the Navy to remain a dominant force on the world's oceans. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this exploration of naval operations, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And here's a question for you. What aspect of refueling at sea do you find most impressive? The technology, the teamwork, or the strategic impact? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.